What's up, y'all? Dang, it's sunny. Today we are doing airbags, well, helper bags on the rear of this 2021 Ram 2500. This has the 6.4 liter Hemi in it, but we're gonna be doing the helper bags on this thing, getting that knocked out. I'll bring y'all with me. Brand spanking new. All right, get her in the bay. The inside, 16,000 miles. Sheesh. Yeah, definitely nice in here. Kind of quiet. Stock exhaust, all that. Look at all the pollen. Y'all see that? That time of season, I have to start bringing out Claritin Clear. Just kidding, I don't need that stuff. I'm sure some people need it. Mr. Brown's not here yet, so I'm gonna have to guide myself in here. First, I gotta pick up some stuff. I like this look. I got stock fender flares. Let me pop the hood so y'all can look at it. Big old 6.4 vacuum booster, a hefty one. Yep, everything looks nice and new, just like it should. All right, I'm gonna get this in the air, put you on my chest, and get rolling. The airbags are over here, so he's getting the wireless one. So he got his own control. Got the compressor, got the wiring harness, of course the bags, the brackets, and all the hardware in here. So that's what we're gonna be installing on this bad boy. Oh, I got that. I wonder if that's factory. It is factory, it's Ram. Oh, that's pretty cool. Or if it's an option, but that is pretty cool. I like that. Oh, look at that. I don't know why they put these bars like that. Maybe off-road, I don't know. Look at that, that's pretty cool. So he got that gooseneck or fifth wheel in there. I didn't even look. This thing has springs in the back. Why does it have leaf springs? That's pretty dumb.
No, it's the new thing. You know that? I've been doing that since like 2015, 2015.
I feel like that's weaker.
Well, probably different ride quality.
I feel like leaf springs would be stronger. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but that's why they use them on big trucks, right?
Hey,
What you get?
that thing I was telling you about?
Oh, yeah, I don't have one of those.
You have one?
No, I said, yeah, I don't have one of those.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to try to set up that track bar. You shove it in there, and it's obviously it's cone, so it'll help center it. Bro, I could hammer on that though.
Yeah, you can. You freaking hammer. I did it all the time. You did it. Well, I didn't know that's what you needed it
That's what
for.
I was referring to.
Well.
It says diagnose the Camaro.
Hey, little unboxing for y'all. Instructions. Always good to look at those. Airlines, top hat mount, thingamabobbers, and the bag themselves. Pretty cool. This little manual. Give that to them. Hardware. Okay, so I think it is these. Alright, would be these. Figure out what size this is. Looks like a either a 1/4 inch or 6mm. Try 6. Look at that. 1/4 inch is not gonna. Nope. And then maybe either a 15. Take 15, 16, 17. Wow. Look a little bit bigger than a 15, but who knows? Yep, bigger than a 15. It's a 16. Would you look at that? Let's get a swivel. 16. You know what? What am I doing? Putting my cart over. Ooh, listen to that. Turn. That Camaro was at another shop for 22 months for a 4L80 swap from a 4L60. Something that should take 3 days at most. I might have to leave it in neutral a little bit, but... Well, yeah, I was at the other shop for 22 months. Crazy. Get those off of here. I don't know what's water in that, but she's out. That would look like a rust spot. Bad rust spot. Not good. These in here. Have those back. So now... Tight, torque. Good there. Now we start putting these plates on here. Put these in. Yo, ridiculous. Tight.
I want to show you what it takes to put a 408 in a Camaro. And this is why I say 22 months is something like, all right, so if you already had the trans, all right, right here, you have to cut the body and replate it,
Which they did.
for the connector,
Right.
put the mount in,
Right.
the proper length drive shaft,
Right.
and that's it.
And that's it.
And tuning for the trans.
Of course. And you don't need a harness for this?
It comes with a jumper harness.
Piggyback?
Yeah, see the jumper harness?
Yeah.
Plug and plug and play.
Plug and play right there.
And look right here.
That thing is leaking.
I got a fitting over here. There's no dipstick, and they put a plug, and you see it.
Yeah.
Look, it's about to fall.
Yep. Already?
Yep.
Bloop.
So yeah,
That's a brand new engine?
it's been rebuilt.
That's ridiculous.
Something 22 months for that. I thought I was slow.
Nah, dude. Well, good thing it's in the hands of the good ones.
The exhaust is hitting the drive shaft.
Oh my. Poor Zach. These are gonna go this. Beautiful. Suckers in tell you to put these in today. Oh, yeah, they did. Whoops. Yes, they surely did. All right. That. We'll go just like that. Let's go ahead and move. Easier now. Okay. Now let's see if we can get it in here. Perfect. Back. Sounds good.
I did one thing.
Uh-huh.
Unplug the camshaft position sensor.
Does it run better?
That seems better.
It cuts off still, doesn't it?
Yeah, that could be pull off the factory. Are you in town? Are you at home? Are you working?
To make sure the hole is on the outside, I had to flip it, had it on there wrong. First time I do this, it's okay. Then you tighten up these. Same thing for the other side. So these brackets are for the axle, so you can see.
He said it has a healthy enough cam in it. It sounds like it's gonna stall, but it doesn't stall.
Healthy enough cam.
Means a big fucking lope in it,
Okay.
and you can hear it. So those guys are supposed to be experts on like LS1 and LS series and GM stuff.
No way.
Yeah. And could find out and unplug the cam sensor and see how it runs. It actually runs really good. Before you heard it just popping in.
Ah, that sounds the same to me.
Oh, okay.
Some people call themselves experts, but hey, the proof is in the pudding, right? Airbags are, for the most part, done. Just gotta tighten up the top and the bottom. I'll tighten up these units on the ground. Well, we go ahead and do this compressor now. More line. Here's the compressor itself. Yep. The remote. And this is what they call the manifold. Remote, compressor. Self-tappers. Let's figure out a good mounting point. Alright, y'all, so it's gonna go right in this little indentation. It'll go just like that, and then the manifold is gonna go on this side somewhere like that, and they're gonna be pretty much close to each other because that's the instructions say to mount the manifold and the compressor somewhat close. So that's what we're gonna do. Check it out, manifold's on there, compressor's on there. We got the ground on one of the mountain screws, so that's good to go. Now we run the air lines from the compressor. It goes to the manifold. From the manifold it goes back to the airbags, or it goes to a T, and then from the T it goes to the airbags. After that we do the wiring harness, and then that'll be it. Program the remote, should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these lines. See, we got the G up there, right here. This line coming from the manifold, the bottom line going to this bag, and this line is gonna go to that bag. Well, the battery died, but we got the line routed all the way behind the cab mount, top of the frame, not touching anything that moves. Behind that cab mount, right there, and top of the frame, you can see the conduit right there, and then it goes over to the T right there. So it comes here, goes into that T. From that T goes, line goes into that bag, and then that line there goes over to the other bag. I got everything zip tied on top of this cross member behind the exhaust. Don't want the exhaust melting the line, and it comes out right there and into the airbag. So that's all done. All we have to do is do this wiring, and we good to go. Alright, wire harness is connected there, all zip tied, nice and neat. Runs behind the cab mount also, along that, zip tied, zip tied, zip tied, zip tied there, and zip tied at the brake line over there. All we gotta do is connect power and ground, and connect it to an auxiliary or accessory power for ignition, and that's it. Don't forget, turn up these, and come down a little bit. Oh, look at that, y'all. This is so perfect. Plenty of clearance between bracket, bag, and tire so it doesn't rub. And that's sat down flush. Now all we gotta do is tighten up these. Same thing for the other one. Alright, everything is tight. Good to go. What's up, Skippy?
You need help programming this remote?
If you want to do that later, I'll show me later. Once I get everything plugged in. Show y'all. See right there, tuck it in so it comes up the brake lines where I zip tied it, and tuck it in the inner fender well and firewall right there, and then we'll be able to zip tie it here. So the red is power, black is ground, and the pink goes to ignition power. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. That looks good. That looks good. Now we just need to find ignition with key on. Accessory number 1. Alright, y'all, we back. Had to wait for this, add a fuse, add a circuit to come in so we can hook up the ignition power. That finally came in. Anywho. There it is. Alright, now that I got my mouth held right, perfect. What do y'all think? That looks great. I think it looks great. So, boop, throw that away. Boop, throw that away. Twist. Boop. Boop. Perfect. Make sure it's not loose.
That's great.
You like that?
I do the same thing.
They'll get swept off sooner or later.
That's why that pile's so big. That was my biggest problem at Radley.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cleaning.
Yep. You know why? Because I was go, and then after about a month or 2 months or 3 months, if I come around and clean, and they see me, I have this giant fucking pile. Where did this all come from? I don't know, like,
some of it came from your bay.
yeah, blew in. So like I had all kinds of stuff, man. It was nice because I had a corner bay, and so I had so much room.
Yeah.
But I did not have a big time lift. So I couldn't do dualies. Yeah. I did everything else. And then you know what? They call me crazy because I'll put it all the way up in the air, pull one right underneath that and then pull another one behind that. Get 3 cars. Like, and both do fucking work. Like, I'll take too long.
That's right.
So you're pretty much ready for me to
program?
Yeah.
Let's see. Gotta plug this in. The remote's there and the instructions are there. Yeah, it's in the blue book. I just gotta pull out that fuse. Come on, you piece of junk. Alright, now let me hook up this one. Hold up. Don't do nothing. There, and what happened to that fuse? Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, let me know when to hook up the big fuse. Hook up the big fuse, he says. Send her, boys. Whoa, sparking.
In?
She's in.
So that's why I always pick me up by looking in the book. Because excuse my language. It messed me all up is because the serial number is already on there, and all you do is you click it and then it pairs and it's done.
Oh,
and
okay.
here it tells you go through all these extra steps.
Oh, okay.
So I'll take it down to 15.
Alright, and that's it. Leave that. Tell him to leave that in there. Alright. That's great. That's it, y'all. Obviously don't look that much different. We get the other side. This is the dark side. Come over to the light. Anyways, she's done. Got the bags on there. Got the lines on there. Got the harness on there. Everything works great. Remote controlled. Lock her up. On to the next. See y'all.